So here is the cleaner. On top is the nozzle that'll connect to the pressure washer, and underneath are the two nozzles where it'll come out, and this rotating piece here. If the wand on the pressure washer is a little short, you can use one of these extenders. They have the 1/4 inch quick release that are easy to connect. After futzing around for a moment, I was able to connect the wand to the extender. Honestly, it's a lot like vacuuming. Time to start up the pressure washer. Right away, I can see that it's working and cutting through the grime and dirt on my driveway. As you can see here, I was going pretty quickly and I was leaving a lot of streaks on the driveway. One secret that I found was to go back and forth in a crisscross pattern. Go horizontally one time, vertically the next. That got rid of a lot of the streaks. Here's what it looks like coming out the bottom. So I can definitely see where it has been cleaning. I learned to work in small sections, going horizontally and then vertically. Overall, I'm very happy with this pressure washer surface cleaner from EVEAGE.